Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a life free from financial stress? Well, look no further. In this article, we will reveal 10 foolproof ways for you to earn big bucks online in 2023. Get ready to transform your financial situation and say goodbye to money worries once and for all. Start an e-commerce business. E-commerce is booming, and there has never been a better time to jump on the bandwagon. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up an online store has become easier than ever before. Sell products that align with your passions or interests, and watch the profits roll in. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative way to earn passive income online. By promoting other people's products or services through your website or social media channels, you can earn commissions on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation. The more sales you generate, the more money you make. Create digital products. If you have expertise in a particular field or possess valuable knowledge, why not create digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software? These can be sold repeatedly without any additional effort on your part once they are created. Offer freelance services. Do you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management? Put those skills to good use by offering freelance services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. There is always high demand for talented freelancers who can deliver quality work. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube has become one of the most popular platforms for content creators around the world. If you have engaging ideas or talents that can captivate an audience, whether it's cooking tutorials, travel vlogs, or comedy sketches, starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to monetize your content through ad revenue and brand partnerships. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has taken the financial world by storm, and investing in it can lead to substantial returns. However, it's essential to do thorough research and understand the risks involved before diving into this volatile market. Become an online coach or consultant. If you have expertise in a specific field, consider becoming an online coach or consultant. Many people are willing to pay for personalized guidance and advice on topics like fitness, career development, or personal finance. Create a membership site. A membership site allows you to offer exclusive content or services to paying subscribers. This could be anything from access to premium articles, tutorials, private forums, or even one-on-one coaching sessions. With enough members, this business model can generate significant recurring income. Write and sell ebooks. If you love writing and have knowledge that others would find valuable, writing ebooks could be your ticket to financial success. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy for anyone to self-publish their work and earn royalties on each sale. Develop mobile apps. With smartphone usage at an all-time high, developing mobile apps can be extremely profitable if done right. Identify a problem that needs solving or create something entertaining that people will want to use regularly, then monetize through ads or in-app purchases. In conclusion, by implementing these 10 foolproof ways mentioned above into your life in 2023, you will no longer have to worry about financial stress looming over your head constantly. Whether you choose e-commerce entrepreneurship or freelance services, affiliate marketing or creating digital products, starting a YouTube channel or investing in cryptocurrency, becoming an online coach, consultant, creating membership sites, writing, selling ebooks, developing mobile apps, there is surefire potential for big bucks. So why wait? Take action now and pave your way to financial freedom. The opportunities are endless, and with determination, dedication, and a bit of creativity, you can turn your dreams into reality. Say goodbye to financial stress once and for all. The world of online earning awaits you.